Hey guys, Claude Code is absolutely insane when it comes to marketing tasks, and today I want to demonstrate to you 5 use cases that you can start implementing right now and get more clients to your business. So I will use this example, Ellington Properties. Imagine it is your company. You're selling real estate in Dubai. Here is your Instagram. You can see the visual, you can see the style. This is a big established company. And let's imagine we want to get more leads through marketing. I'll show you what I did using Claude. So first of all, I generated Instagram reel. Check it out. So as you can see, everything is in the style guide of our company. The branding is here, and it was all generated using one prompt, and we can get infinite amount of videos like this. We can use them for ads, for our profile page, whatever it might be. The second use case is scraping popular trending Instagram reels from our competitors and generating new concepts based on them. So as you can see, we're getting like a whole new web page, a whole HTML with the beautiful results that we have. So the system found 10 trending Instagram reels. They got in total almost 7 million views. And here are all the specific reels that we scraped. 3 million views, here's the video. And this is the stuff that we analyzed. And if we scroll down, here are key trends that we identified. And then here are new scripts that we can start implementing right now for our own company. So it did all the web scraping and everything. I will show you after I present all the results how to set up the Claude project, how to connect it to necessary APIs to do that. And don't worry, you don't need to know how to code in order to use Claude Code. It is actually a very simple tool. You just interact with it using this chat interface with your plain English. So you will be able to set everything up in less than 10 minutes. So the third use case was this one. I wanted to find an interesting podcast that is trending, that is in the real estate niche, and then make social media posts based on that. So it actually did the YouTube scraping. It found this podcast with Grant Cardone. What an OG. I love this dude. I was consuming his audiobooks. And as you can see, this video got more than 100,000 views, and it is like almost 2 hours duration. So it is obviously packed with interesting ideas about the real estate market. And then bam, we scroll, we have 5 posts for social media that we can publish across LinkedIn, Instagram, Facebook, any platform that we want. The post number 1, post number 2. So we have the visuals, we have the text, we have everything. So Claude Code is doing everything for us from one single prompt. It is very simple. I believe that prompt to generate this was just 3 sentences. This is nuts. I cannot believe. Another use case is called outreach. So basically I asked to generate a list of 100 target people on LinkedIn that we can actually DM. So it scraped all this information. Here's the first lead, here's their niche, here's their LinkedIn, so we can open it up, and here is the personalized opener. So it actually made a personalized direct message that we can send to them and will increase our chances of getting a reply. Then we can connect it to some cold outreach software and the campaign will get started, right? And the final use case is that I asked it to analyze ads of my competitors that are being run on Facebook and Google. Look, these are ads from our competition. We can see how long they were running. This one for 4 years. This sounds crazy. I cannot believe it. This one, let's say from Azizi. I know this company, it's a huge company here in Dubai. It was running for more than 200 days. Here are the engagement metrics of this ad, and then AI analyzed all these ads inside what is going on actually, and then it generated new concepts for us based on what is working best for our competition, right? So all that was generated literally from one single prompt per task. And you can set it up in less than 10 minutes. So to make Claude Code capable of getting all this data and generating all these images and visuals, I connected it to just 2 APIs. It is very simple. The first one is Apify. This is the best API to scrape social media data, Facebook ads data, Google Trends data. So anything when it comes to scraping, you should use this. You should never ask Claude Code, scrape to me this website directly. It will not work out the way you want to. But this thing is awesome. I'm spending like, I think $300 per month on this API. I know I'm crazy, but you don't need to spend this crazy amount of money. For these tasks that we just discussed, I think we spent maybe $3, something like that. So absolutely a reasonable price. Instruction will be down below in terms of how you can get the API key for Apify, how you can set everything up. So don't worry, it is very easy. And the second part is Kai AI. So this is the API which is connected connecting you to the video generation and image generation. So you are getting access to video models, to Nana Banana. So we connected that, and that's it. Then we just build a project around our company. So I just told Claude that here's my company. I gave the website of Ellington Properties, and I said, scrape the website, understand what we are doing, what is our business, initialize the context. And the reason for this project is to just grow our lead base, our client base, using marketing efforts. And then after the project was initialized, the Claude had all the context, and then we can just give very human-like instructions. And by the way, you can give them via voice. So we can dictate just like that. I'm using Whisper Flow. I'm just telling, hey, let's do competitor analysis on the Facebook ads, scrape top ads from the real estate brokers here in Dubai, look at what is working well, what are the ads that companies are running for a very long amount of time, look at the legit companies, analyze what are the hooks that are working the best, and generate 5 new creatives for our company, and output everything as a beautiful HTML website in our style and design. And I'm pressing this button, and then bam, the whole prompt is here, and I'm just pressing this, let's go, and it will do the task. And just like that, you can automate all of your marketing efforts. And by the way, one important thing here in the reference tab, let me make it bigger. I just provided 4 reference images explaining the style of my brand. So here's one of the screenshots, another screenshot, another one, and the 4th one. I just made the screenshots from Instagram. So this is how I communicated the context, and this is how the system knew what is the vibe that I'm going after. So this is insanely simple. Check out the link in the down below. It is a short instruction how you can get started with this project, set up the VS Code, this environment for Claude Code, then how you can actually start using Claude Code, how you can initialize this project, and start applying this to your business. Please don't waste this opportunity. Claude Code is insane right now, and you don't need to be a software developer to use this. If you enjoyed the video, subscribe to my channel. It will help me a lot. I will post so many more videos about Claude Code very soon.